And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz gold level choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with preparation step and then hesitation change, which consists of first 3 steps of natural turn and then hesitation itself. We continue with bounce Fallaway and outside change, which we finish to promenade position. From here we dance cross hesitation, man has 1 step, lady 3 steps, back whisk, and from here we dance Fallaway natural turn, which consists of 2 bars. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold and start with preparation movement. And we dance diagonally to wall, hesitation change. First bar, second bar goes down line of dance. We continue diagonally to center with bounce Fallaway. In same direction we move with outside change to promenade position. Then down line of dance with cross hesitation. Diagonally to center against line of dance with back whisk. And diagonally to wall we start Fallaway natural turn. Then we move diagonally to center and again diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.